Section 21 of Birds and All Nature, Volume 4, Number 3, September 1898. Recorded for LibriVox.org by Larry Wilson. Summary. American Herring Gull, Larus argentatus smithsonianus. Range, North America generally. Breeds on the Atlantic coast from Maine northward. Nest, on the ground on merely a shallow depression with a slight lining, occasionally in trees 60 or 75 feet from the ground. Eggs, 3, varying from bluish white to deep yellowish brown, irregularly spotted and blotched with brown of different shades. American Raccoon, Procyon lotor. Other name, coon. Range, North America. Pygmy antelope, Antilope pygmea. Range, South Africa. Red-shouldered hawk, Buteo lineatus. Range, eastern North America, north to Nova Scotia, west to the edge of the Great Plains. Nest, in the branches of lofty oaks, pines, and sycamores. In mountainous regions the nest is often placed on the narrow ledges of cliffs. Eggs, 3 or 4, bluish, yellowish white, or brownish, spotted, blotched, and dotted irregularly with many shades of reddish brown. American Gray Fox, Vulpes virginianus. Range, throughout the United States. American Gray Squirrel, Sciurus carolinensis. Range, United States generally. Pectoral Sandpiper, Tringa maculata. Range, North, Central, and South America, breeding in the Arctic regions. Of frequent occurrence in Europe. Nests, in tufts of grass. Eggs, 4 of a drab ground color, with a greenish shade in some cases, and are spotted and blotched with umber brown, varying in distribution on different specimens, as is usual among waders' eggs. End of section 21. This recording is in the public domain. End of Birds and All Nature, Volume 4, Number 3, September 1898.